Coal mining provides 85% of Australian homes with electricity and allows our industries to thrive. But did you know that 1 kilowatt hour of electricity from coal-fired power produces over 1 kilogram of greenhouse gases which are released into the atmosphere? Coal-fired power and the transmission of airborne coal dust are some of the biggest contributors to climate change in Australia. Europeans discovered black coal in the Newcastle, New South Wales area in 1791. Today, more black coal is exported through the Port of Newcastle than any other in the world.
Coal and other non-renewable energy resources are massive contributors to climate change.
The Hunter region has been identified as a greenhouse capital, one of the world's biggest per-head producers of global warming gases. Over the past decade, Newcastle has experienced higher than average temperatures, lower rainfall, and increased frequency and severity of bushfires and storm events. In June 2007, the Hunter region was affected by extreme rainfall and severe storms, resulting in widespread flooding and the grounding of the Pasha-Bulka coal ship on a reef off Nobby's Beach. Many have deemed this as the worst storm to affect Newcastle in 30 years. So what does this say about the Hunters' responsibilities to climate change? Is our heavy production of fossil fuels impacting the weather patterns in our area? Should we be changing the way we produce energy? Hunter residents have recognised this link between changing weather patterns and the use of coal-fired energy in the region and are taking a stand on the issue. In March 2013, 1,500 Novocastrians formed a rally in protest of a fourth coal loading terminal proposed for Newcastle. This followed concerns with the impact of coal mining on pollution, a major contributor to global climate change. A member from the Upper Hunter community compared living in the coal-producing area to living in a war zone. According to the Quit Coal Advocate Group, the coalition government are set to repeal the carbon tax with huge plans to increase our coal exports. With these changes set to take place by July 1st, 2014, our government are only leading us to a destructive future.
Are we able to solve the problem? And I think, I really don't think there's enough being done by a lot of nations that could do better.
Australia is now the 57th worst country for action on climate change out of 61.